Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, a place where you can find unboxing, haul, product review, home decor and more. In this video today you are going to enjoy my unboxing from Chanel right here, and this is a belt. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of the process for me to pick this belt, what I had to decide. It was in between this one and another one that they have, why I went for this one. I also gonna tell you why the other one didn't work for me too good. You definitely have to try the belt while you are in the store. So let's start with unboxing. So by the meantime, I'm gonna tell you why I picked this belt. So okay, it was between this one and another belt. So actually the other belt, it looked, the big CC logo look like the brush that I got. I'm gonna leave you the video down below just in case you would like to watch the unboxing. The brush, which is the same what the pearl look like, it has some stone in black, pearl and white crystals. So I tried the belt on the other one, the one that looked like the brush, and you could barely see the CC. It looked like the CC was blending with the black belt, and you actually, the stone, the black stone on the CC is what blending with the black color of the belt, and it looked like cut off CC. Like it was the CC, but it looked like it was cut off a little bit just because you wasn't able to see the whole CC or the Chanel belt. So then at that moment my brother suggested, he was there with me, and he suggested to try another belt because he could barely see the logo in that belt because it was blending the black stone or the black crystal with the belt, right? So I tried this one, which actually I think was cheaper, and it looked great on me. But I want to show you guys just in case you find yourself in that situation one day, because if I didn't see in that moment until my brother mentioned it to me, and then I was able to see it, which it would be very sad if I go home and I receive the belt and then I find that little detail at home, which it make a big difference. But I was able to find the mistake or the issue there, which for me was a big problem, you know. But my brother looked, so that's why it's always for you when you going to buy things like this, stay somebody with you, because sometimes other person can see where you can, even if you stand up on the mirror, you know. This is the box, and it comes right here like this with the tote bag. Oh. Right here, this is a cute tote bag for this. I guess if you travel, you can put your belt here and take it with you. Come with the sponge here, and let's see this one. Okay, this is the black belt, 85. Okay, I picked the size 85 because I have already a Gucci belt with the GG logo, with the double G logo. I think it's 90. I really can use it too good with dresses on the top here because it's a little bit too big, so it need extra hole. So for this one, I really want to give it a very good use, the most use I can. I want to be able to use it with dresses, I want to be able to use it with jeans, with anything. So I went a size down, which it was 85, and I tried there over here on the hip, on the top, right here, and on the hip. So that's something very important to look at it. The leather look very good. So this is the belt. This is how it comes all wrapped up very nicely. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna show you right now, guys. This is the CC. Right here. I think it looks very, very, very pretty. So I love these crystals right here. They're very shiny. But as you can see, this part right here is like a plain one. It has some little details, but it's from the same material. And then this one over here, let me see, okay, this one over here have like all the crystals. So this have all the crystal, and this other C is not, it's all plain. This is the leather. The leather look like a very, very good condition, very nice material, nice quality. Even it looks soft. I don't know what kind of leather it is. Let me see if I'm able to see it. Black belt, leather, women black belt, size 85. So I can really see what kind of leather it is, but this is how it look right here in the back. Name Chanel, made in Italy, and I guess this is the size in Europe. Size, oh no, it's 85-34. It had 3 holes right here. Put it around. We go here. I think it look stunning. Just those crystals, it just make it and it still have some space. So I choose this one just because you're able to see the whole logo, and this is actually very dressy one, very stylish. You can definitely use for like nice occasion. And those crystals, I love it. I don't know if you guys can catch in camera, but they are very sparkly, very nice. I just love it. So yes, here it is. Okay guys, this is all. Thank you very much for stop by and watch this video. Let me know if you have extra question or anything that you would like to know about this bird that I didn't mention over here. Let me know down in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer your comments or your question the best of my knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, give a like, share this video to anybody that you think are interested in any channel but and let me know if you like this matter in a specific. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Bye.